Welcome to this interactive session. We have Mr. Kedar Puranik here. He has over 30 years of experience. I have some questions regarding the career as a business analyst.
Okay.
My first question is, what are the basic qualifications required for a career as a business analyst in analytics?
Now, the basic thing that you need to understand about career as a business analyst in analytics is you are supposed to analyze the business. To analyze the business, you need to know two things. One is the business processes in that particular domain, as well as the measurements, as we call it as the key performance indicators or KPIs of each business. What are those which we need to capture, which we need to compare, so that we understand how a particular company is performing in that particular business domain. For example, if I talk about telecom industry, then I need to know how the telecom specific products are defined. You know, how you define an analog phone, how you define a mobile, how do you define data, and how these are ordered, how these are provided to the customer, as well as how these are configured on the network. You need to know this business process. You need to understand how the billing of these services happen, how the customer service management aspects are taken care of. So if you understand the business processes, you know half of the domain. Another thing that you need to know is KPIs. For example, in telecom industry, you need to understand what is average revenue per user, or ARPU as they call it. Each industry has got these specific KPIs. When analyst knows the value of that particular KPI, analyst can say whether that company is doing well, not doing so well, or doing bad. Okay, so first and foremost, for any business analyst, the key quality is to understand the customer domain and understand the ways in which the that particular business is measured. Second important aspect is understand the overall life cycle of delivering an analytics project. Now, the analyst is not going to do the project management, but analyst is involved in each phase of the project. Sometimes as somebody who defines the requirement, sometimes as somebody who is going to review those requirements, sometimes somebody who is going to review the development, validate the final product. So therefore, business analyst is very much involved in each phase of the development life cycle. So if they understand it, it will be that much more easy for any business analyst to figure out where and how they need to get involved in any project delivery. Third important aspect is the tools and technology. These days no project happens without some IT tool, IT technology. So if you are aware of these tools and technologies and what are their what are the features, what are the advantages, what are the pros and cons, then apart from giving the consultancy on what should be the right business process, how you should measure, you can also help companies decide which tools will be more useful to them and how those tools can be leveraged to arrive at what exactly the customer is requiring. Okay, so to summarize three things: the domain knowledge of the customer's business, the KPIs or the measurements, the knowledge of the project management life cycle, and the tools and technologies which are prevalent in the market.
The next question is, as a fresher, what are my chances of getting the job as a BA?
Okay, it's a good question. Now, fresher, there are two types of freshers which I can look here. One type of fresher is a fresher out of school, okay, or fresher out of university. Somebody does their engineering or MBA, and then they are looking forward for a career as a business analyst. Okay, as well as there are some people who are working in the industry. They are working in, say, purchase department, they are working in finance department, they are working in banking domain, and now they want to leverage that knowledge to be able to become a business analyst. So both are actually freshers when it comes to this particular domain or this particular role, right? But both of them can start. Okay, as for any role, you have to start with the basics. Okay, so initially you will be involved. If I'm talking about the fresher who is out of college, then that kind of a person has to spend time in acquiring the business understanding, interact with the users, understand how they perform their activities, which will help them build their knowledge of an industry. Okay, while the other person who is making a shift to the business analyst career, that they already have the domain knowledge. Okay, they just need to remold them okay, from the doers to somebody who will observe that process, observe the pitfalls, observe the areas where the process has to be improved, observe the areas where process can be made even better, okay, and then suggest the ways to improve. Okay, so yes, as a fresher, both fresh from the college or fresh from the industry, you definitely has a career as a business analyst. Okay, if we go back to my answer to my first question, if that is where you invest, then a fresher out of the college as well as fresher from the industry, both will be able to work as a business analyst in due course of time.
And what are the tools and technologies I need to know to be a successful BA?
Correct. So as I said earlier, these days IT technology has absolutely invaded each and every sphere. Okay, you can be in a whatever role, even if you are not an IT developer or you are not a full-fledged IT person, you still need to be conversant with various different tools and technologies. Okay, as a business analyst, I will be very much talking about the business processes. So the first kind of tool that I can think of is the tools that will allow you to capture and record the business process. The tool that comes to my mind is something like Microsoft Visio, okay, which helps you to create the process diagrams, create various different ways of organization structures, hierarchies, interaction between multiple entities. So any tool that allows you to diagrammatically put the business process is definitely a plus. Apart from that, you are involved in analyzing the data, and after you have analyzed the data, you have to present your analysis. Okay, so when it comes to presenting the analysis, there are many different tools which will help you create visualizations, which are very, very professional, which are very, very intuitive in nature, which are also interactive, so that whatever you can talk about in 1,000 words can simply be explained by just one graph, right? If I had to change the the adage that goes, picture speaks 1,000 words, it's exactly the same. That rather than creating a report, if you just put one or two visualizations, I think the companies, the management, they will understand it better. So from that particular point of view, you need to be aware of certain data visualization tools. Now, there are many tools like Tableau, Power BI, MicroStrategy, and also the one that has been there and that will be there, which is Excel, right? So if you know any of these tools, it will help you analyze the data and present the data in an interactive and intuitive manner.
And the last question is, how does Opine Group help me kickstarting my career as a BA?
Great. In Opine, our philosophy of any training is do what we teach and teach what we do. Okay, so our courses are not the courses which are aloof or independent of what happens in the industry. Okay, we have a lot of techno-functional people in the group who have been working in various different aspects and technology as well as functional domains for anywhere ranging between 10 to 12 years to about 30-35 years. Okay, so we have got a huge amount of collective wealth of how things are done in the industry, and we have created the courses, we have created the structures in such a way that while you are doing the course, you always try to connect it to what happens in the real life scenario. All of us who are working practitioners, we not only bring in the technology knowledge or the tool knowledge or the business process knowledge, but we also connect the students to what is happening in the industry. So when the course is done, the person who is getting trained, that person is job ready, right? Which is very, very important. Otherwise, what happens is, person learns something, but when they get on the job, they realize that, okay, there are so many aspects of actual work that I have not yet aware of, okay, which is not what we let happen in our courses. Okay, Opine provides different courses in different technologies, analytics in sales, analytics in finance, analytics in healthcare, as well as various different tools and technologies like Tableau, Power BI, which I talked about, various different data warehousing tools such as Talent, Microsoft business intelligence. So you can always get in touch with us for any of this course. We will have the discussion with you. We will understand what is your aptitude, what is the kind of career you want to get into. Accordingly, we can choose the right course for you. And once that is done, I think you will be ready as your first step into the world of the business analyst.
Thank you very much, Kedar. Thank you for sharing your insight on this aspect. And I'm pretty sure our viewers will benefit from this interaction. Thank you once again.
Okay. Thank you, Manjari. Thank you very much.